If you're struggling with constipation and want a quick natural solution, you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Enlarge Health. In this video, I am going to talk about liquid foods that soften stools, speed up digestion, and relieve constipation fast. They are easy to digest, work gently on your stomach, and help your body get back to a healthy bowel movement. Before we talk about the best liquid foods, let's understand why they work. When you're constipated, your stool is hard and dry, making it difficult to pass. Liquid foods add moisture to your intestines, making the stool soft and easy to pass. They also provide fiber, healthy fats, probiotics, and digestive enzymes that stimulate bowel movements naturally. First on my list is warm lemon water. Drinking a glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon in the morning can wake up your digestive system, stimulate bile production, and help move stool through the intestines. Lemon contains citric acid, which acts as a natural digestive stimulant and mild laxative. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also add a teaspoon of honey for extra digestive benefits. 2. Prune juice. Prune juice is one of the most powerful liquid remedies for constipation. It is loaded with sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that draws water into the intestines, softening the stool and making it easier to pass. Studies show that drinking prune juice daily can help regulate bowel movements naturally. Drink 1/2 to 1 cup of prune juice in the morning or before bed. If you're new to prune juice, start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. 3. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera isn't just for skin, it's a natural gut healer. Aloe vera juice contains enzymes and plant compounds that soothe the intestines, reduce inflammation, and act as a natural laxative. It is especially helpful for those with IBS or chronic constipation. Mix 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel with a glass of water or fresh fruit juice and drink it in the morning. Avoid consuming too much, as it can have a strong laxative effect. 4. Chia seed water. Chia seeds might be tiny, but they are a superfood for digestion. When mixed with water, they absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency, which softens stool and helps it move smoothly through the intestines. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making them an excellent natural remedy for constipation. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir well and drink. You can also mix it with lemon juice or coconut water for extra benefits. 5. Green smoothies. Green smoothies are one of the best ways to get fiber and hydration at the same time. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and celery are loaded with magnesium and fiber, which help relax the intestinal muscles and promote bowel movements. Adding fruits like banana, apple, or papaya can further enhance digestion. Blend 1 cup of leafy greens, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup of coconut water, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for a nutrient-packed smoothie that keeps your digestion healthy. 6. Coconut water. Coconut water is not just refreshing, it's a great natural remedy for constipation. It is high in potassium and magnesium, which help relax intestinal muscles and promote smooth digestion. Plus, it helps rehydrate the body, which is essential when dealing with constipation. Drink a glass of fresh coconut water in the morning or after meals. Avoid packaged coconut water with added sugars. 7. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas are known for their digestive benefits. Ginger tea, peppermint tea, and senna tea are some of the best options to stimulate digestion and relieve constipation. Ginger tea helps reduce bloating and stimulates digestion. Peppermint tea relaxes the intestinal muscles and reduces discomfort. Senna tea acts as a natural laxative, but it should be used occasionally and not daily. Steep a tea bag or fresh leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and drink it before bedtime or in the morning. Simple tips for fast constipation relief. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your stool soft and easy to pass. 2. Include healthy fats like olive oil, ghee, or flaxseed oil in your diet to lubricate the intestines. 3. Stay active. Simple movements like walking or yoga can stimulate digestion and relieve constipation. If you incorporate these liquid foods into your diet, You'll notice a big difference in your digestion. They are gentle, natural, and work fast to relieve constipation and improve gut health. If you found this information helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Let me know in the comments which remedy worked best for you. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and safe.